doing? So in this video we're going to see how we can create a wallet and MetaMask, and especially for developers. Also, this is going to be a video for beginners or entry level. Okay, I hope you really like, and just let's go. So first, here I am with my Google open, and I will type here MetaMask. Okay, so let's open a website. Okay, let's accept. Oh, here home in web. So get MetaMask. Let's click here, click in here, and let's do this download. Okay, let's add this extension here in Google Chrome, and I really recommend that you use Google Chrome too. Okay, okay, it's ready. Alright, so with our extension installed, we open. Here you can choose your language. Here I'm going to choose English. Alright, and trusted by millions. So get started. I agree. Right, but I agree with that, and I need to get down everything. Okay, and here I can go in create new wallet. Alright, and now of course we need to insert our a password. I would recommend you just security to create a hard password, but now I'm going to see. Okay, I created. If I forgot, MetaMask can't recover it for me. Okay, let's select that. So now when we finish that, we can just create our password. Create password and secure your wallet. So let's read this because this is important. Don't risk losing your funds. Protect your wallet by saving your secret recovery phrase in a place you trust. This is really important. Okay, you need to save that 12 words. And so let's get started. Oh, this is my secret recovery phase. Let's just click here, and here was a secret recovery phrase, also called a seed phrase or mnemonic. Is a set of words that let you access and control your crypto wallet. This is really important. Okay, so I got it, and you can click here to review. Okay, and here we can click right to recover. Yeah, but this is your words, so please really pay attention with that. Okay, and after we will click here, and here will appear for us, and let's continue. And here he will ask us to complete some work. And here he will ask us to complete some words. Alright, let's complete here. And who is validate? Yes, very good. Data alert, very low. Okay, I agree and I agree. So right, we can just done. Installation complete and done again. Alright, Solana on MetaTask, but not now. Alright. And here, amazing. And here, amazing, our wallet is created. Of course, we need to be very careful with that. And Ethereum. And now we will see how we can add a test wallet. And here, and of course, to do this test, we won't use this these networks. All right. So here we can go here and we can show test networks. So we can here this Ethereum maintain, and we can just click here, show test network. Let's close. Let's check again. All right. And now, okay, we have this Mega Testnet or Mona Testnet. All right. So this is how we can create an active network test here in MetaTask wallet. Okay, I hope you learn anything with this video. I hope you like. If you like, if you learn, if you please subscribe to the channel. You can give any comments. I will respond to you. I will yes answer you. And thank you for your attention. Give the like on the video. Okay, bye bye until the next video.